welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be doing a travel t-shirt try-on haul. I'm super excited about trying on these t-shirts for you. I literally just came back from collecting my box from Design Unlimited, located in Giftland Mall right here in Guyana. I'm going to tell you guys all about this store and how excited I was to collaborate with them. So let's get into it. So guys, I'm going to be doing the unboxing now and show you guys everything that's in this box. I'm super excited, so let's get into it. Alright, so our first t-shirt is a green and it says Traveler. I love it. I'm looking forward to wearing all these t-shirts on my travels for better comfort, and I'll style them up nice for you guys. My second t-shirt is a pink. I'm excited, are you? Do you want to see it? Just kidding, I'll show you. So my second t-shirt is a pink and it says Wanderlust, and it says the irresistible desire to travel or wander. I love it. I'm gonna look so slummy in all these t-shirts. I can't wait to try them on. My third t-shirt, I love this one. Oh my god, I love this one. It's a dark blue. Okay, so this one says, ta-da! I love this. It says, catch flights, not feelings. Oh, it's so cute. It's a lovely navy blue. And the third one, oh, the fourth one actually, this is the third. The fourth one, it's a light blue. And this one says, say yes to new adventures. Yay! Love it. Totally love it. I'm loving all of them so far. And I really can't wait to start wearing them on all of my trips. Thank you so much, Design Unlimited. And now we have a black. To travel is to live. So love this code. See? So this one is a black. And last but not least, my favorite, my very own, Dream Travel Right. So guys, these are all the t-shirts. I have 6 t-shirts here. And I'm going to be trying them on now to show you how they would look. And I'll be wearing each and every one of these t-shirts as I travel. So let's go. So guys, before we get into it, I like to take a moment to thank the sponsor for these 6 amazing t-shirts and prints, Design Unlimited. They were kind enough to provide me with all these t-shirts in less than 24 hours. So I'm very grateful to you guys. Thank you so much. So now let me just give you guys a little clip on all about Design Unlimited. Design Unlimited is a youth-owned company that started off designing t-shirts from home with just fabric paint as a hobby. After realizing their hobby could now be turned into a business venture, Design Unlimited opened up their first outlet in the Giftland Mall. The 3 words they promote are dream, create, and inspire. The vision of this business is to enable anyone to make their thoughts a reality with unique t-shirts, designs, and print that inspires them. I had an opportunity to print my very own t-shirt. It was a fun process and I learned a lot about printing and fabric from this experience. Can't wait to try these on. These t-shirts are so comfortable and you could pretty much wear them to any outdoor activity. Guys, these tees are so versatile. Let's say you want a professional look, you could rock this with a jacket. On the other hand, if you're going for a more casual look, Ladies, you could rock these with a leggings, jeans, or shorts. Even while flying, I plan on adding a hoodie to keep me warm and enjoy the journey. Dream travel right. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this t-shirt clothing haul. I had a lot of fun trying them on. I'm super excited to wear them when I travel. I would like to say thanks again to Design Unlimited for these amazing quality t-shirts and wonderful prints. Please remember guys, if you enjoyed this video and you liked it, check them out. Also remember to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like these. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think about each t-shirt. And obviously you have to smash that like button. See you guys in the next one. Bye!